YouTube TV not working on Android TV. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube TV not working on Android TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix YouTube TV not working on Android TV, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Check your network connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network and the signal strength is strong. If your internet is slow, try restarting your router or moving it closer to your TV. YouTube TV requires at least 3 megabits per second for standard videos and 7 Mbps for a 1080p stream. Step 2. Restart the YouTube TV app. Press the home button on your remote. Go to settings, then apps, select YouTube TV and choose force stop wait for a few seconds, then reopen the app. Step 3. Check for updates. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android TV, search for YouTube TV and update the app if a new version is available. So that's how you can fix YouTube TV not working on Android TV. That's all for this video.